So what you're going to do is turn to the left too for me. Perfect, right there. spicy, you can use the fan at any time. Gee, you can take it. Wow, all right. I mean, do you feel it a little bit though? Like it's a little itchy? Okay. Okay. And that's normal. Right, good. Yeah, some people run right off the table. Once they feel even a little bit of itch, they're like running.
No, I feel like I definitely have more painful products on my face for sure.
Good. Good.
And I think that they were definitely not good for
It does miracles. And it's going to be a spicy only because we open up the skin. We began with, opening up everything with the extractions. And so it's like, oh shit, what is going on? This is really spicy. We didn't even do dermaplaning because that's another time. I didn't want to waste your time. You got stuff to do with all that other things, and that's a whole other procedure. So I just want to definitely get to the chemical peel too.
Right. But yeah, if you need me to do other demos, like, it's fine. You can do whatever you want to my face as long as you don't stroke.
Gotcha. And I'll pay you for your time, because I don't like sitting and waiting, popping up for nobody. I don't care if it's my mom. Mom, you told me.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
I'm gone. I mean, I'll give you a courtesy call, like, hey, are you coming? Something, but if it's too long, like, and my mom knows, I'll leave. Like, I'm just like that. I'm like, I'm just going to put the remaining on the forehead, and then I'll do the second pass. I literally ran out on the palette. Here's the other bottle. And the bottle, if you open your eyes, it's just this little small bottle. And this is what I sell on my website and everything. It's just a chemical peel, so people can't mess it up. I'm like, no, all you need is one of these. Literally everything I just did with the whole face is in the bottle.
Right.
So they can see, like, no, I poured it in here. You've seen the video. You've seen me. Don't overuse your pills.
Right.
It's expensive. Pills are expensive as shit. So if you don't have to, just save your money.
How much is one bottle?
Oh, one bottle is $10.
Okay.
Yeah, it's very, very affordable. I forgot to warn people. Once it comes slow, but then it like busts a bubble inside and it comes out pretty fast. Warning. Sorry about that. But even in the right, it's a lot in there. It may look small, like no, it will run the fuck out. It's packed in there. You only need one. Trust me. You can do the neck and the face off of one. Cause see how still it's a lot of product. Gotcha.
Like every, and I mean, I grew up in a very, like, we used to use Dove bar soap and alcohol on our face, like, very much we did not know what we were doing, and like every astringent ever they're not supposed to use, I've definitely used it.
I'm just gonna do the neck area. It's gonna drip right on there. Yeah, so that's what I'm saying, these little ass bottles. Don't overuse it. Don't fuck around. Because I've seen people slather chemical peel on their face. I'm like, no. Like, come on. For one, you're wasting a lot of money. They only give you about 2 ounces, 4 ounces of bottles of chemical peel. And if you're lucky, you can find an 8-ounce bottle that's a back bar size. Even dermatologists only order an 8-ounce bottle. 16 is out there, but it's super expensive, and most dermatologists don't buy that either because you're spending at least $400 or $500 just for that 16-ounce bottle. But it lasts you a super long time. So that's the trade-off. It really lasts. So you don't have to keep buying them, you know. So that's the good thing, I guess.
Yes.
Now it's gonna fry. It's already frying out the bumps that we popped open, and that's the brown. It turns the blood brown because it cauterizes. Cauterizing or cauterization is when you're actually fusing or stopping bleeding through a chemical process or fire or something that burns the skin.
Right. Okay.
To cauterize a wound. That's how in hospitals they do that with a laser.
Yeah.
To cauterize the wounds, like especially if somebody's bleeding from a gunshot wound or something like that. Some hospitals now have lasers. They just shoot the laser and it stops everything. So, and that's the main thing you want to do is stop bleeding if it's that bad. The person could die from the bleeding, not the wound.
Right.
You know what I mean? You get shot 9-10 times at 50 cents. You can live, yeah, if you can stop your blood from flowing out.
Yeah.
You're doing pretty good. So we'll let that sit on the face for about maybe 30 more seconds, and then we will take it off.
Okay. How long does it sit for? Like 5? It was like 5 minutes that it's been sitting, right? Okay.
So like the first pass or the first layer, you do like a minute and a half. Then you wait another 30 seconds, so it's really 2 minutes, give or take. Then you do your second pass, another minute and a half. So now you're at 3 minutes and 30 seconds. And then you let it sit on the face for about another 30 seconds. So therefore, you're at like about 4 minutes. You want to stay under 5 for any chemical peel. Now you can do a third pass and still be within that 5-minute time frame, possibly 5:30, maybe 6 minutes. But you don't want to go past. At that point, you might as well, if you're doing 3 passes or more, just up the level to a 30% like lactic. This is only a 20%. So then go to 30 and you only do 2 passes. And then if they can still pass through more of those or get more, then just go to a glycolic. Glycolic's much stronger. Thinner, molecule, smaller, goes right into the skin. Oh yeah. Then if that even doesn't work, then go straight to the TCA. TCA, I guarantee you, TCA, I've rarely seen anybody stand at TCA for a second pass. It's just kind of uncommon. It burns. It's like the alien acid blood. I mean, kill. Yeah, it's like goes all through the face. Yeah, it's like whoa. You ever see the alien movies when the green alien or when the aliens bleed and it goes through the floors? The blood's so acidic. So even if you kill it, it kills you even when they're dead. Because it's like if you get that acid on you, you're done. There's nothing to neutralize that type of acid. So you have to be very careful. So yeah, TCA is like, but that's remember that guy that came in, the Indian guy who came in. He needs a TCA. I wouldn't even waste my time with lactic, glycolic. I would just go straight to TCA to soften up those holes.
And that's still in our scope, right? Okay.
Yes.
That's just a heavy one.
Yes, it's very